It looks like the de-dollarization concept is getting momentum, with a lot of African leaders talking about changing their currency, having a united one currency.
I have no time for borders. Why? I have no time for colonialism. They don't have borders in Europe. But when it comes to us, they say, no, you must have borders. Why? The division of of Africa is what makes them thrive. They thrive on the division of the African continent. Can you imagine the minerals of DRC combined with the minerals of South Africa and with a new currency based on the minerals? What we can do to the dollar if we become a United States of Africa with our minerals alone? We can collapse the dollar. We can collapse the strong pound that is based on gold, yet they don't have a gold mine. So why do you allow such things?
Yes, there has been heated debate about the de-dollarization in Africa. Experts say the use of the US dollar in African trade comes with a very high cost, and this has been going on for a long time. Mr. President, you have been vocal about the freedom of Africa. Does de-dollarization in Africa sound like another way of the continent's total liberation, bearing in mind that Rwanda is celebrating 29 years of liberation?
Well, there are many things we find ourselves doing or having to deal with that are not ideal, but they are dictated by many factors that we have no immediate control over. Picking de-dollarization as just one aspect of things we have to deal with as a continent to achieve the final goal of de-dollarization, there are other things that back it up that we shouldn't forget to do, including making integration work, making free trade and free movement of people, goods and services, work. It's a debate worthwhile having, but not forgetting what needs to be done.
And it's not just African leaders talking about this. It's also China, it's also Brazil, it's also India. The people that are affected are getting tired of being slaves to the dollar, and dollar has been affecting countries' growth and even their power to buy and sell goods. And this is something that is frustrating a lot of people and countries. So now it seems like they want to do something about it. Everybody is coming together to speak in one voice. I guess it's about time, because countries feel like they are suffering because of the US dollar, and now it looks like countries are coming together one by one to change the current currency situation.